Samsung has come close to perfecting the foldable phone over the past few years, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than current models. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 far away from the launch, but the rumors wheels are starting to pointing out that what is going to be potentially coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 5? Well, basically the major update that we could receive in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be in the camera department and in the processor department. According to Elec, a South Korean publication, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 next-generation flagship processor. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. The new smartphone in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a great fusion of style and functionality. It is expected to be sleek and lightweight and available in various colors, and there is also speculation about a better resolution which will improve the display quality. The device is also expected to be more durable and provide a satisfactory experience to tech lovers. Some more features such as a better camera connectivity options and a bigger processor are also rumored. Samsung has a history of launching its Galaxy Z Fold series in August or September every year. The first phone in the series was released in September 2019 and in fourth in August 2022, so Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely arrive in August or early September 2023. It comes with 7.9-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display and 6.2-inch cover display. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 came with the 5000 mAh power battery, and even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past from probably will have the company's best snappers. As impressive as Samsung foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.